Okay, part 2 of May 15th, 2020. They just finished eating. I don't think James Bond feels that well. Remember that white spot that I showed you guys on his back? Well, now it looks a little bit bigger. Uh-oh, what's he running to? I have not seen that at all. That's the first time I've seen that. Interesting. I don't know who that van belongs to, or that Jeep belongs to. Who was that, James Bond? Huh? Who was that? Do you know who that is? Do you know who that is? I put a little bowl of food on the other side of that brick walk there, because that's where the puppy was. I don't want to go over there because I would like the puppy to eat if I could get the puppy to eat. I just looked at my arm, I'm bleeding. I have no idea from what. I don't remember cutting myself on anything. Oh well, I'll live. James Bond. What was that all about? Huh? What was that all about? Tail up. He's the boss. He's the boss. What was that about? Huh? He's coming right at me. Who? What? Sweetheart. Tell me what you need. What do you need? Something is bothering this little boy. He's gonna pee on my cart, on my van again. Baby, did you get abandoned? Here we go. Let's pee on the van. Oh, I wish I could understand doggy. Oh, honey. What? He might be smelling the food over there behind the wall. I don't think he feels well. His eyes don't look really that good today. And he still got that red nose. Baby, baby, baby. I promise I'm not gonna hurt you. I won't hurt you. What do you smell? Huh? What do you smell? The puppy's over there. Come on, Pepperoni. Come here, Pepperoni. Picture of his daddy, her daddy. Come here, sweetheart. I left you food. I left you food. I have it very enlarged, so it's hard to hold it straight. Well, you know what? If she's going around, she might find it. And Papa's sniffing over here. He's just about coming to me. Just coming like within a foot. He's definitely trusting me a whole lot more. Didn't even look at me. Now he looks at me. See his eyes though, especially his right eye looks like it's bothering him. What's the matter, sweetheart? What's the matter? See on his back? Now it looks like 3 spots. Are those BB guns? Has he been shot with a BB gun? Sweetheart, please let's get you off the road before you end up getting killed. Oh, I wish I could get him to come with me. I set the trap for him with chicken inside, and he still didn't take it. I was kind of thinking about not giving them any wet food over the weekend so that on Monday I can set the trap with some chicken, but when I saw their little faces and they just were so happy to see me, I had to give them food. I don't think Mama feels well either. She just collapses wherever she is. And there's baby. If I can hold this steady enough, I'll try and get really close. It's 6X. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get. I don't want to get any closer because then he'll just get up, or she'll. Haven't seen Kate in a long time. I think all the disruption around here just kind of scared her away. She's probably in the woods. Well, I'm just going to hang around here for a little while and see if I get any well, I don't know. Daddy's walking away now, so they're probably all getting ready to go for the night. Oh, you guys are just so cute. You're just so cute. Too bad they can't just sell the house with a perfect little doggy family. All three of them, baby, daddy, and mama. Anyway, the sun is almost going to set, so I'll just stick around here for a little bit, see if anything else happens. I just kind of want them to get more accustomed to me, especially the baby. And if I can get daddy to actually let me pet him, trust me. He comes up to me and he cries, so he's trying to tell me something. I just wish I knew what it was. So any suggestions, feel free to comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.